Hi friends. Today on the refrigerator, I need your help because there's a monster in your book, written by Tom Fletcher. Oh no, there's a monster in your book. Let's try and get him out. Shake the book and turn the page. Nice try. That knocked him over, but he's still in your book. Tickle his feet and turn the page. That didn't work. He's just laughing, and he's still in your book. Try blowing him away. Blow really hard and turn the page. Help me blow. That's better. Now he's far away, but he's still in your book. Tilt the book to the left. Now he's over here, but he's still in your book. Tilt your book to the right. He's hanging on. What a naughty little monster. Give the book a good wiggle. Good. Now he's back over there, but he's still a monster in your book. Try spinning the book round and around. Look, he's dizzy. Quick, make a loud noise. It's working, he's running away. Make that noise again. But louder. He's gone. There isn't a monster in your book anymore. Now he's in your room. Quickly, call him back. Monster, come back. Look, here he is. He's coming back. Keep calling him. Monster, come here, little monster. He's back in your book. You don't want a monster loose in your room. This book is probably the best place to keep him. Monster, you can stay here in this book. Pet Monster's head and say goodnight. Good night, Monster. Shh. Look, he's fast asleep. Gently close the book so he doesn't wake up. Thanks for your help, guys. Let's draw a monster. All right, friends, I'm going to draw my monster and show you how to do it, but really, anything goes here. You can give your monster as many eyes as you want, as many horns as you want, as many teeth as you want. The sky is really the limit here, so go crazy. My monster is gonna look kind of normal. I'm going to start with a big circle in the middle of my page. Then I'm going to give my monster 2 horns. To draw a horn, I'm going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to start at the top and draw another curve just like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. A curve, I'm going to start at the top and curve back in. I'm going to give my monster 3 eyes. I'm going to draw my eyes in the shape of circles, but you can draw yours any way you want. Inside my eyes, I'm going to draw another circle, just like this. Great. To draw a mouth, you're going to start with a straight line, and then you're going to draw a big U connecting the 2 lines, just like that. I'm going to give my monster 2 front fangs by drawing V's from the line. And then I'm going to give him a bunch of little teeth at the bottom. Just like that. I'm going to give my monster some hairy eyebrows. And I'm also going to give him some hair on the top of his head. And that's my monster. I'm going to give him some color and do the outline. Today I'm going to have some fun with my background using lots of different colors to paint the background of my monster picture. Well, I hope you had fun today on the refrigerator. Stay tuned for some pictures that have been sent to me. I hope you see yours, and we'll see you next time.